Hey guys, it's Pete. I just wanted to do a video on like what it's like to be a mechanic for just a day. You know, I work on log trailers, log trucks, do service calls. We're in the wood this morning. We got a tire here, and I think we got another tire on another crew and a light problem or something. But this is what we're going to do today. This one right here is blowed out, which happens a lot in the woods. You change a lot of tires out here in the woods. First things first, get our safety triangles off. Oh God, they never want to come off. Magic. Hey, your mating surface. That dirt's trapped in there. You tighten them up. Dirt works loose. Then your rims is loose. What we doing today, Nick?
We're waiting on our favorite mechanic, change this tire on this trailer so we can safely go down the highway.
That's correct. Something all of our drivers do when they hook to the load, because they hook and drop a lot. Check all your lights, blinkers, brakes, running lights. On a log trailer, you're required to have 2 flags and a log light. And one of our best truck drivers, my favorite dog, stopped by to visit us. Bale. Oh my goodness. Well, we got a lighting problem on this trailer, so we're gonna go fix it. Got a light there, and a light there. This one's all busted. Got us a new one. All was broken and unplugged. Man, it's so hard being a mechanic. Voila.
Got it down.
If I do this, does this one go off?
They all on.
All right, perfect. Mr. Jerome right here has got a low tire, so let's check it and spray it. We already got another tire to do. Mr. Nick found right here. Lord. All right, we gotta go back to work now. Now we're just waiting for this truck to come out so we can go in and change a tire. It's our old buddy John Swain. All right, we got trailer 205 right here. Customer states blinker and running lights not working. So let's see. It's the right side blinker. Huh. think I found the problem. Just plug it back in and it'll work. All right, we're gonna check, make sure that that did fix the problem. This little contraption I made to check the lights. You got your blinkers, brakes, running lights, everything right here. Pigtail, you just do that. I got it running off my leads to my batteries. That's how I do my jumper cables. All right. That one's working. Working. Just unplugged. Now let's check the blinker. Well, I'll tell you that one's blinking. That's all it was. It was just unplugged. While we're here, bump the tires. Kick the torque arms. And I always crawl and look for broke springs, brakes out of adjustment. That ain't good. Everything looks pretty good so far. Let me go check around back. Well, we found it. That is some pretty wood. This whole place out here on Incheney Road, it is beautiful. One thing I don't really like, it's the money maker, but that pine tar is, especially when you gotta lay on the ground to work on stuff, it gets all over you, then all over your truck, all over your house. But there's a trick. You use rubbing alcohol and it'll get it all off. Or Tubbo towels. Or Grip Clean. This is one of them must-have tools. 10 Tools makes this. But it's perfect for getting them valve stem caps off. And you can take a core out with it. Pretty good. I like it. Takes it right out. Just a safety tip, never stand in front of a tire you're airing up. Them tires right here in these logging woods, they go through hell. So, never stand in front of them. It's kind of hard to see, but the valve stem's leaking back there. I got a special tool just to fix that. Yeah, you can see it right here. All right, this little tool I made is just a 9/16 wrench bent Tecton. And a piece of rebar welded to it, or flat or round bar, whatever. It goes in there just like that. And then you can twist it. Yeah. Give me my wrench back. Now, something I never really see is that. A palm tree out here in the middle of nowhere. Like, what in the world? So we're done here. About to go back to the shop, see what they got going on. Well, we made it. Time to eat some lunch and watch and see what Patty's doing, you know, because it's usually nothing. Pat, where's your jack stands? Where's your jack stands? This is unsafe. There's the helper boy. Next up, we get to service Mr. Carter's truck. Mr. Carter, his truck. Cummins. We service our trucks every 20,000 miles. PACCARs we do every 30,000. All of our filters, Fleetguard, LF 14,000, FS 5825, and K 371012s. Get it, Noah, get it. Let's see how strong he is. Why are you doing it like that? Oh, he is strong, boys. All right. Wait. Let me show you a trick now. Take that down. Take that down. God almighty, that's brand new. Ultra Tools. Now take your finger and run. Yeah. Let's see it. Oh my goodness. Why would you touch that? I need some bug juice. What else do we need? Some coolant. So weird. He's so weird.
What did you say about me?
She's low. Put that coolant in.
Quit shaking. Quick.
We put stickers in our truck. I don't ever stick them in nothing, but I just stick them in the seat right here for them. So that way they know when to come in next. That's where he puts his. Another thing we do, we always check our universal joints. Because for some reason, Peterbilt, these trucks, we've put more U-joints in the back shaft than anything else.
And they both bad.
That yoke right here looks wore out. You can see the cap spinning, but it's got play in it. This one's got play in it. So we get to do 2 universal joints.
All right, now, hero.
It's nice to have a helper. If you ain't got a helper in your shop, what are you even doing?
Hope your finger goes through the toilet paper.
Over there.
Demand me.
Boy, my back hurts toting these guys all day. We got her done. Next up, a change of steer tire. It's wore perfect, but it's time to change it. Now we got 4 people putting the airbag on over there. That's the boss man, by the way. And me and Pat is putting on 2 tires over here. And we got a wheel seal right there and brakes all the way around it. Look, it's the guy that don't ever do nothing again.
Wish I didn't do that.
I let you pack and skip.
Ooh, that's rough.
Everybody's watching you, Pat. Everybody's watching you.
Why are they watching me?
That's a real tire, man, right there. Flex them. Flex them one time.
One more time.
What we doing?
Putting the 2 old ones together and the 2 new ones together.
We're matching 2 used ones up to go back here, and we're putting 2 new ones over there. Hit him.
Get low, Noah, get low. Lower, Noah, lower. Low, Noah, low.
Not on the trucks. Damn, Noah. You why sound so tired?
He's tired too.
Well, I think we're going to call it a day. Let's go home.